If you're struggling with your weight, you know it's not just about appearance, it's the constant fatigue, the joint pain, the frustration of trying diet after diet with little to no success, and the emotional toll of not feeling like yourself anymore. You're not alone. And there is a better way. Medical Weight Loss is a personalized medical provider-guided program designed to help you lose weight safely, effectively, and long-term. It's not a fad. It's science-backed, targeted, and built around you. Depending on your needs, your plan may include appetite suppressants to help manage cravings, vitamin injections to boost metabolism and energy, weight management tools that track and support progress, customized blends that support fat loss and hormone balance, all under the supervision of licensed medical professionals. When combined with lifestyle changes, medical weight loss can dramatically accelerate your progress, helping you feel better, move easier, and gain back the confidence you've been missing. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's tailored to your body, your goals, and your pace, with safety and long-term success as the priority. If you're ready to stop guessing and start losing weight the right way, book a free consultation today. Take the first step toward a healthier, stronger version of you, because you deserve a plan that actually works.